Welcome to our presentation on the Smart Car Buyer AI Agent. This innovative project uses advanced AI, LangGraph, and large language models to simplify your car buying journey, making it easier to find your dream vehicle. Buying a car can be overwhelming with endless options and unclear filters. Many buyers find themselves frustrated by the time-consuming research needed to find the perfect car. Our Smart Car Buyer AI Agent is here to help. It uses AI-powered interactions to understand your needs, refine search filters, and retrieve the most relevant car listings tailored to your preferences. The system starts by understanding your requirements like budget and desired features. It uses LangGraph's automation to search AutoTrader platform, providing a curated list with insights on price and reliability. Watch our AI in action as it guides a user to find the perfect car that matches his needs. Through interactive chat, it gathers inputs, fetches listings, and dives deeper into details like reliability and market value for informed decisions. With the Smart Car Buyer AI Agent, you save time and reduce stress. It boosts your confidence in car buying decisions, acting like an expert companion throughout the process. Our project is more than just a tool, it's a smarter way to buy cars. Join us in redefining car buying experiences with AI. Ready to find your perfect ride? Let's get started.